Program Investo Slovenija, Investo SI, je skupaj s predstavitvami najvidnejših slovenskih delniških družb tudi ob tokratni priložnosti deležen izjemnega zanimanja preko 200 obiskovalcev iz 15 držav, med njimi uglednih mednarodnih strokovnjakov, ekonomistov, predstavnikov institucij in mnenjskih voditeljev, ki se aktivno udeležujejo dvodnevnega foruma mednarodne mreže Knowledge Economy Network, KEN, s sedežem v Bruslju. Forum poteka v kreativnem vzdušju mariborskega hotela Habakuk 6. in 7. junija, pričel pa se je z včerajšnjim sprejemom udeležencev, ki se ga je na povabilo predsednika mreže KEN udeležil tudi predsednik VZMD.
I'm also glad that in this context of my visits here in Slovenia to meet the companies and also at various conferences, I was glad to meet Mr. Christian, who through the Pan-Slovenian Association for Small Shareholders is providing an excellent platform that can give a neutral view to those people or those companies or those organizations or those wealth funds or investors who could invest from India into Slovenia. I think this forms a base to get knowledge, to foster governance, to bring transparency, and these are the foundations for success. And I think the organization is doing a great service as a public non-profit organization to help the interest of the small shareholders and also provide valuable information, because based on this information, decisions can be taken for the success of companies. And if investors are happy with good decisions, they will come back and invest more. And this creates a deeper partnership. So I'm happy with the job the Pan-Slovenian Shareholders Association is doing. I wish them all the best, and I'm sure that under the leadership of Christian, whom I have met over the last 2 days, I'm sure that the organization will continue to grow and continue to offer better services to not only stakeholders here in Slovenia, but stakeholders to the region and also probably to stakeholders in India and elsewhere in the world.
Torej, letošnji KEN forum, prvič v Mariboru, je že po teh prvih urah očitno velik uspeh. Uspeh je v tem, da smo dobili čez 100 udeležencev in to praktično res iz celega sveta, od Avstralije do Kanade, Indije, seveda največji domačih udeležencev. To me seveda tudi veseli, kajti v primerjavi z nekaj forumi v preteklih letih je bila ta udeležba manjša. Zdaj smo pa seveda v forum oziroma v KEN mrežo povabili vse člane, redne člane Slovenskega gospodarskega in raziskovalnega druženja v Bruslu, ki so se dobro tudi odzvali. Iz teh uvodnih predstavitev je očitno, da je danes cel svet zaskrbljen nad tem, da se konkurenčnost zasnovana na znanju prepočasi dviga, in to seveda je posebej problem Evrope. V primerjavi z številnimi državami, ki so še pred 10 leti, kot je recimo Brazilija, Indija in številne druge, danes dosegajo izjemne rezultate in to seveda spravlja Evropo v vse resnejši položaj.
I'm happy that between India and Slovenia there is a huge opportunity. This opportunity comes especially in the context that Prime Minister of Slovenia will be visiting soon India, and we hope that this visit can deepen the relationship between the countries, can see new forms of partnership emerge between the countries. I think there is a lot of possibility for synergy between Slovenia and India, between companies in India and Slovenia, because Slovenia for us can be a gateway to Europe, can be a point where India can get friendly, cost-effective, efficient and knowledge-based access to Europe, building in the beginning foundations of trust and then partnership which are mutually beneficial, and therefore to be able to foster win-win relationship in the long run.